When it comes to beauty and appearance, we often overlook certain aspects, while focusing solely on clothing, shoes, and hair. But it's critical to pay attention to and devote time to both, the things that are always in spotlight, the things that are somewhat hidden. I will show you 6 simple changes you can make to improve your appearance by tweaking the small and simple things. Hello there. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel and give it thumb up, and don't forget to share with your friends. Number 1. The way you smell. When it comes to enhancing your appearance, your scent is critical, because it is a silent and subconscious way that people find you attractive, and your beauty enchanting. Take the time to find a variety of scents that aren't too bland, and also aren't overpowering. Find a perfume, or body mist with a rich, but subtle scent that will appeal to the nose. Number 2. Beautify your nails. Another simple tip that can enhance your appearance, and add more detail to your beauty, is taking proper care of your nails. Clean your nails, pay attention to the length of your nails, and consider adding a very warm color, or simply painting them with clear nail polish. Whatever you do, make sure they are cleaned, properly trimmed, and pleasing to the eyes of anyone who looked at them. Number 3. Remove your face hair. The hair on your face is light and dull, and it isn't bothersome. But, getting rid of these small, thin, faint hairs can really add a smooth, soft, and radiant glow to your face, enhancing your appearance, and making your makeup look even better. So, if you are comfortable with it, give it a shot. Number 4. Clean your ears. Even though the wax in our ears is helpful, it can be gross and unpleasant to look at. So, don't forget to clean the visible area of your ear that is on display. Neglecting and overlooking the minor details in our life can cause us great embarrassment. So, set aside a minute each day to observe and care for your ears. Number 5. Take care of your hands. Pay extra attention to your hands. Dry, rough hands instantly take away your attractiveness. Believe it or not, having really soft hands is a very simple and appealing touch to have. It instantly gives you the appearance of being graceful, sophisticated, and elegant. Moisturizing daily and removing callus can help you have soft and warm hands. Number 6. Take care of your breath. No matter how much good looking you are, if you're well dressed, or your appearance is perfect, but if your breath is foul, no one will be comfortable with you. So, make sure to keep your teeth clean by brushing regularly, and don't forget to use mouth freshener for that extra freshness.